Hi friends! Today we are looking at this slime I have been really looking forward to, Capybara Spa Day from BFF. Look at that adorable little Cappy. I love him so much. This is an icy mixed with sand, and it is scented clementine and citrus. Oh, it smells so good. It's just a perfect citrus scent. It smells so fresh. It doesn't smell like candy or anything. It's just really lovely. The icy is really nice. Icy is not my favorite texture, but it's really nice for an icy. I enjoyed it. Very squishy, very pretty. The sand is, as always, my favorite part, and it's excellent. Perfect sizzles. Not tacky at all. Mixing, of course, was the best ever. I love mixing sand slimes. I'm not sure if this one will re-separate, but I will be thrilled if it does. Just a really, really fun slime. Squishy, sizzly, all the good things that sand slimes do. Really, really love it. Bye, friends.